Now we will test water using cobalt chloride paper. Cobalt chloride paper is a filter paper that has been dipped in cobalt 2 chloride solution and then dried in desiccator. So cobalt chloride paper is a filter paper that has been previously dipped in cobalt 2 chloride solution and then dried using a desiccator. In this figure, we can see the cobalt paper. A desiccator is a piece of glassware or small cabinet, which contains a tray of some substances which absorbs water. So it's a piece of glassware or cabinet, as you can see in the figure. So it's like a small glassware where we can place substances inside in order to dry them. So it absorbs water from the substance placed inside. So as we said, cobalt chloride paper are dipped into cobalt chloride solution and then dried in a desiccator, which absorbs the water from the substance placed. What is the test used? Well, when it is dry, the paper is blue. Adding water turns it pink. So we will get the paper and put water on it. When it's dry, it will turn blue. But when we put water, it will turn pink. In this figure, we can see the cobalt chloride paper. We put some water on it. This spot turned pink. Similarly, we put the blue cobalt chloride paper inside water. It turned pink as well. Cobalt chloride paper that is wet turns pink. So this is the test used.